How to lose weight with the soft diet. Weight loss can be challenging, especially when dealing with health conditions or recovery periods that limit food choices. The soft diet, typically prescribed for individuals with specific medical needs or digestive issues, can also be adapted as a practical approach to weight loss. The soft diet supports your body by focusing on easily digestible, nutrient-rich foods while promoting gradual and sustainable weight loss. Here's how you can lose weight effectively with the soft diet plan. What is a soft diet? A soft diet consists of foods that are easy to chew, swallow, and digest. It's often recommended for people recovering from surgery, dental procedures, or gastrointestinal conditions. The diet excludes hard, crunchy, or spicy foods that may irritate the digestive system or pose challenges for chewing. Typical components of a soft diet include cooked vegetables, soft fruits, lean proteins, and refined grains. While the primary purpose of this diet is medical, its principles of simplicity, portion control, and nutrient focus make it suitable for weight loss when adapted appropriately. Key principles of the soft diet for weight loss. 1. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Emphasize whole, nutrient-rich foods that provide vitamins and minerals while being easy to digest. 2. Control portion sizes. Eating small, frequent meals helps manage calorie intake and keeps hunger at bay. 3. Avoid high-calorie processed foods. Limit sugary, fried, or fatty foods, even soft ones, to promote weight loss. 4. Stay hydrated. Incorporate fluids like water, herbal teas, or low-sodium broths to support digestion and metabolism. 5. Incorporate lean proteins and healthy fats. To maintain energy and muscle mass, include sources like soft-cooked eggs, Greek yogurt, and avocados. How to lose weight with the soft diet. 1. Plan balanced meals. Create meals with a mix of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. For example, A. Proteins. Scrambled eggs, soft tofu, or baked fish. B. Carbohydrates. Mashed potatoes, oatmeal, or well-cooked pasta. C. Fats. Avocado, nut butter, or olive oil. 2. Incorporate fiber-rich foods. While fiber-rich foods like raw vegetables and whole grains are restricted to a traditional soft diet, you can include cooked or pureed options. Try steamed carrots, mashed sweet potatoes, or blended soups to support digestion and satiety. 3. Prepare food properly. Cooking methods like steaming, boiling, or baking help soften foods while preserving nutrients. Avoid frying or adding excessive butter or cream, which can increase calorie content. 4. Avoid trigger foods. Eliminate foods that may upset your stomach or add unnecessary calories, such as fried snacks, spicy dishes, or sugary desserts. 5. Eat mindfully. Chew slowly, even with soft foods, and focus on hunger and fullness cues. This prevents overeating and aids digestion. 6. Stay active. Combine your soft diet with regular physical activity, such as walking, yoga, or light strength training, to burn calories and support overall health. Sample soft diet plan for weight loss. Breakfast. 1. 1 scrambled egg. 2. 1/2 cup of oatmeal topped with mashed banana. 3. Herbal tea or water. Mid-morning snack. 1. A small serving of low-fat Greek yogurt. 2. Soft-cooked applesauce. Lunch. 1. Baked fish, such as cod or tilapia. 2. Mashed sweet potatoes. 3. Steamed and blended zucchini soup. Afternoon snack. 1. A small avocado mashed with a sprinkle of salt and lemon juice. 2. Soft crackers or bread. Dinner. 1. Ground turkey meatballs in a mild tomato sauce. 2. Well-cooked rice or polenta. 3. Steamed and pureed carrots. Evening snack. 1. A small bowl of low-fat pudding or custard. 2. Chamomile tea. Benefits of the soft diet for weight loss. 1. Easier digestion. Soft foods reduce strain on the digestive system, helping your body process nutrients efficiently and prevent bloating or discomfort. 2. Portion control. The simplicity of the diet makes it easier to manage portion sizes, helping to avoid overeating. 3. Improved hydration. Many soft foods, like soups and fruits, have high water content, supporting hydration and aiding metabolism. 4. Sustainable and adaptable. The diet's focus on nutrient-dense, low-calorie options makes it sustainable when adapted for weight loss. 5. Encourages healthy habits. Emphasizing whole foods and mindful eating lays the groundwork for long-term healthy eating patterns. Potential drawbacks and solutions. 1. Nutritional gaps. Certain food groups, like raw vegetables or whole grains, may be excluded, leading to deficiencies. Solution. Include fortified foods or supplements as needed. 2. Boredom. The limited variety of textures and flavors can become monotonous. Solution. Experiment with spices, herbs, and creative recipes to keep meals interesting. 3. Temporary nature. The soft diet is often seen as a short-term solution. The solution is to gradually transition to a more diverse diet while maintaining portion control and healthy choices. Who should consider the soft diet? The soft diet is ideal for individuals who: 1. Are you recovering from surgery or illness? 2. Have dental or chewing difficulties? 3. Need a gentle, digestive-friendly diet for conditions like acid reflux or gastritis. However, it can also be a helpful short-term weight loss strategy for those seeking a simple, low-calorie diet. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any diet, especially if you have medical conditions. Conclusion. The soft diet offers a unique and gentle approach to weight loss by focusing on easily digestible, nutrient-rich foods. Its emphasis on portion control, hydration, and balanced meals makes it an effective and sustainable option when adapted for weight management. By planning your meals carefully, incorporating physical activity, and staying consistent, you can achieve your weight loss goals while supporting your overall health. As always, listen to your body and seek professional guidance to ensure your diet meets your needs. Loudspeaker. Let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with others.